All right, so you can see I got this ridiculous package from Nike today. This is the biggest package I've seen in quite a while, and it's a crazy looking box here. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. What is going on, guys? Hes here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys would like to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I curate for you guys on a regular basis, go ahead and check the link in the description. And look at the size of this package. This thing is insane, and this is like the most beautifulest box I've ever seen too. Look at all the flower art all over the place. And then as you turn to the side, you could see that it does have a Nike N7 branding, so I have an idea what is in this box. But it does say something kind of cool on the front right there. It says, "Together we grow, united we thrive," and then it has a bunch of plants on the box and prickly pears, it looks like. And I'm not an expert as to what all of those plants are right there, but if you can name them all, drop a comment and let me know. I'm curious to see if you guys can name them. But this is epic, and thank you to Hibbett Sports and Nike for sending this over. Hibbett Sports, if you don't know, is an online retailer space as well as a brick and mortar store. It has over 1,000 stores across the US. They're one of my monthly sponsors that I absolutely love for this channel. They have a weekly release calendar that's worth checking out on their website as well as an app. And you can get lots of cool stuff from their website. So check it out in the description if you guys are interested. This care package is crazy. So let's go ahead and open it up. The shipping box that this thing came in actually said there was a live plant inside. And I was like, I have no idea what this could be. On the top of the lid, you can see some more graphics for the plants. And wow, in the inside of this thing is nuts. Big kudos to the Nike team that had to package this thing up. Like, this is insane. I've never seen anything like this. But you could see there's like a cactus plant inside of the basketball. Like, freaking awesome. So this is the first layer, as you can see right here, and there's actually a basketball. It looks like a plant hanger that they created out of Nike basketball. And then also there's some dandelion root tea, and then it looks like a native candle company, Wild Rose. This is probably what smells so good. It's like a yucca root, like soap or shampoo bar. Like, my wife has actually been buying a bunch of this stuff anyway and using it, so she'll love this. And then this looked like a candle, but it's actually a hydro grow kit for aloe, which is rad. This is a crazy, crazy package. I'm gonna move this over though. There's a couple more things in here. So as you can see, there's another layer of stuff inside this just massive, ridiculously dope box. So this is the next layer inside the box. You can see it's like a little basket style box, which is super rad. And then on the inside, you can see it came with a Kyrie N7s, and these are super fresh, man. The colorway of this is just really, really good. It's a solid colorway, and these ones actually are available now if you want to check the links in the description. But this is a really dope colorway of the Kyrie right here. And then underneath that, there's a bunch of t-shirts. So, oh, this is dope. This is going to be for Harrison. Harrison's going to have his own little N7 t-shirt. I like the little touch of the plant on the back of the shirt. And then Dad has a matching one for Harrison. It even got one for Mom, it looks like, right here. And then another one for Dad right here in black. So it definitely has that Nike N7 print on it. But for those that didn't know what N7 was, it definitely has like a nice classic appeal to it. And for those that don't know about the Nike N7 collection, so per Nike's website, Nike has an N7 fund, and it says Nike is committed to getting the youth of Native American and Indigenous communities in North America moving so they can lead healthier, happier, and more successful lives. So through Nike's N7 fund, they support organizations that deliver programs and services to increase physical activity and support education and career development for the youth in these communities. And since 2009, the N7 fund has awarded more than $8 million in grants to more than 270 communities and organizations. So every single year, Nike has an N7 collection, and this year it says that together we grow, united we thrive. Connecting to our past and moving forward together. Our commitment to the 7 generations, past and present, come full circle with the N7 2020 collection. Created by Diné Navajo, I apologize if I say that wrong, a designer to promote wellness through sport, culture, and community. This collection highlights the inherent beauty that radiates from aloe, yucca, wild rose, dandelion, and prickly pear. A tribute to the heritage plants found across the Americas and a nod to the vastly different regions that Indigenous people call home. So I love that they ended up doing like a floral print with the N7 collection this year. I think it adds a lot of vibrance and pop, and it's like a summertime looking sneaker. This Kyrie though is super crazy with the kind of bone-like color of the shoe, and then little hits of the neon of the pink and the orange and the blue. So on the Kyrie 6 N7, distinct symbols reflect Kyrie Irving's personal journey and reconnection to his indigenous roots. A star representing his community is inspired by the long history of the Lakota quilt design, and the mountain stands for his Lakota name, Hela, or Little Mountain. All symbols of strength Kyrie carries with him. Also, you can see there's some symbols on the back of the shoe here, as well as on the side of the strap. And then I love the little color combos of the stitching even. Lots of really nice details there. The soles look amazing. Just a really nice, colorful looking Kyrie. So right now there's a lot of things going on, obviously, if you're paying attention to anything across the world right now. But the Black Lives Matter movement has been really, really big. And I think that the N7 Foundation that Nike's been contributing to for more than 10 years, as you heard, it's just really telling of what the brand's been doing over a long period of time. So it's not something that they're trying to catch on a wave with Black Lives Matter and donating $100 million. They've been doing other funds and donations through the years as well, and I think the N7 is a prime example of that. I'd love to see more support from the mainstream on the N7 branding though as well, because it is such an empowering fund that they've started and created years ago. But I'm glad to see that they're continuing it, and this year's line is really good. With this care package, you could see they've also found a nice way to reinvent something that's been there for a handful of years already. Like, it's not just Indian tribal prints and stuff. They're telling more stories, deeper stories than just that, which I totally love, and especially in this care package. So thank you to Hibbett Sports and Nike for sending this over. Really amazing care package. My wife is going to love this entire thing right here. She's actually working at her 12-hour nurse shift right now, but when she gets home, she's going to love this. Like, I'm not going to get like any of this. It's going to be all her. But the Kyries though, these are crazy fresh, and I'm happy to be able to add these to the collection as well. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy. And again, if you guys want to check out Hibbett Sports website to buy the Kyries or some of the t-shirts or the rest of the N7 collection, check the link in the description, as well as if you want to download their app. Have a good rest of the day though. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video. It is much appreciated. And subscribe if you guys are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet.